Hello, welcome back to Earning a Light. In this video, I will show you guys how to make money using ChatGPT and study pool. So let's get into video. Firstly, what you're gonna do, go to studypool.com and create an account. Okay, I'm creating account for myself just like that. Now I created account and now you can see right over here sell docs. Upload your document to earn up to $10 per document. As you can see, this site gives $10 per doc and it's very simple because we can use ChatGPT for creating our document and we can upload it right over here. Pretty simple, right? And now let's create a document for this. But we need a subject for our document, right? How you find a subject? Don't worry, this site has so many subjects right over here. As you can see, business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, and there are a lot of subjects right over here. In this case, I'm going to use internet marketing. Let's make a document for internet marketing. Now I'm going to ChatGPT and I type create a script for internet marketing explaining step by step with interaction. Here's our script for internet marketing. Now we need to make a document for this. Let's go to the Google Docs and create a document. Okay, here's my simple document for internet marketing and I change the title like Unlock the power of internet marketing. So now what I need to do, I need to put this on study pool, and if this document get 1 view, I'll get $10. So if this document get 100 views, I'll get $1,000. It's pretty simple, right? So try this method. You can earn thousands of dollars from this method. And that's for today, guys. I hope you learned something about new from this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys.